In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add barcodes to products in Shopify. Barcodes help you keep inventory accurate, speed up checkout with scanners, and make products easier to track across sales channels. In Shopify, the barcode field is simple to use, and once it's filled in, your POS and inventory tools can match scans to the exact product or variant. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open Products. This is your central hub for everything you sell. If you have a large catalog, the search and filters at the top can help you quickly find what you need by title, SKU, or status. Open the product you want to update. You'll land on the product details page. If the product has variants, like different sizes or colors, remember that each variant can have its own barcode. That's useful because scanners can then identify the exact variant at checkout. For single variant products, you'll work with one barcode field on the main product page. Scroll to the inventory section of the product page. Near the bottom of that section, you'll see the field labeled barcode, sometimes shown as barcode, ISBN, UPCN, etc. This is where Shopify expects the standardized code you use on packaging and labels. Click into that field to begin editing. Type or paste the barcode exactly as it appears. Keep all digits, including any leading zeros, and avoid spaces or extra characters. Common formats include UPC, usually 12 digits, EAN, 13 digits, and ISBN for books. Ideally, you'll use the barcode supplied by the manufacturer, or one you've obtained through an official provider so it's unique and scannable. For products with variants, enter a distinct barcode for each variant so your scans map to the correct item without confusion. When you're done, click Save. You'll see a confirmation that your changes have been saved. From this point on, Shopify will associate that barcode with the product or variant. If you use a barcode scanner with your POS or the Shopify mobile app, it should now recognize the code and pull up the right item instantly. To wrap up, adding barcodes in Shopify is as simple as opening the product, locating the barcode field in the inventory section, entering the correct code, and saving. Keep your barcodes accurate and unique, and be consistent across your catalog. This small step pays off with faster checkouts, cleaner inventory reports, and fewer fulfillment errors. Thanks for watching, and keep